All right, we're starting off with some cream cheese in a pound of cooked ground beef. Now I'm adding some marinara sauce. You can use whatever marinara you like. I'm gonna use this whole jar right in there. Want the heat to be at medium because that ground beef is already cooked. Now I'm gonna add some oregano. You can season this however you like. Ooh, you can hear it cooking. I am excited. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Perfect. And then I like a little kick in mine, so I'm adding some red pepper flakes. Beautiful. Okay, let's break up that cream cheese and get everything well mixed. This is gonna be such a delicious pasta sauce. It's gonna go so well with the dinner that we're making. And if you don't like cream cheese, you could use a ricotta, and I think it would taste just as good. But I personally love cream cheese, so I think this is gonna be creamy and delicious and just super authentic Italian. Okay, once that cream cheese is nice and melted and everything is blended together, we are ready for our next step. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pour this right into our pan. Just get half of that right in our pan, just like so. Spread that on the bottom of our dish. Oh, it looks so good. Now it's time for the best part. We have our 3 cheese tortellini. I could only find the family size, but the regular size is what you need. So we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle that in there. You don't need to cook them because they're gonna cook in the oven. So you don't wanna cook them beforehand because then they'll be super tough and not good. Maybe we can use most of this. Let's do it, let's go for it. Let's not waste these. Okay, that looks so good. Now let's go back in with our sauce. Pour that on there. Once again, spread that sauce from edge to edge. Oh, see, it's a little overflowing, and we still have some good stuff coming too. Kind of let that sauce fall in between the tortellinis so that it's not overflowing. All right, of course, we're gonna grab our mozzarella cheese and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top. Now, if you don't like mozzarella, you could do a white cheddar or Parmesan, but I just think that mozzarella goes best with Italian food. You can tell me otherwise. We're gonna add a good amount of cheese because this is gonna be kind of like a crust on our pasta dish. So easy, just a few ingredients. You know, nowadays things are so expensive. It's nice to have dishes that are just a few ingredients. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna just top this off with my chopped Italian herbs. I like this because it's all the herbs you need in one. You don't have to buy several different herbs. Okay, just a nice little sprinkle on top of that cheese. Adds a good color, some flavor. Beautiful. Okay, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375 and it's gonna be in there for 25 to 30 minutes. Oh my, I did let this cool down a little bit, but it smells incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. Right into the bowl. Yummy tortellini pasta. It's cooked perfectly.